Hi everyone. So a lot of questions happen to come up about electrical outlets on Divina, and I can confidently say that there's not very many. There is one in the restroom, and then there is only two in your room. So down here, you notice you got two European outlets, and then you got two standard outlets. And you also got a phone jack, but honestly, we don't have a phone. And then you got your light switch. So what we have done is we've ordered this. I don't even know how to pronounce it. IG, but it's an outlet. It's got four USB ports, two more outlets here, two more on this side, and two more on this side. So we can really just maximize our outlets. And this is approved by MSC, so it will not get confiscated like many other power strips or any other type of extension cords you might want to bring. So you definitely want to look up this product and find out what is available on your ship or what you can actually bring onto the ship. So, for example, this guy right here, you plug it in a three-prong outlet, and now I've got one, two, three, four, five that are easily accessible. If you really get brave, you can try the ones underneath, but it's a little tight. But like my phone and stuff, I can plug in the USB directly. Good to go. That's a good little life hack, I guess, for MSC Divina.